Hallo Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about animals that we find in the zoo. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
What is the word for elephant in Sepedi?
Klou.
That's right, klou. And what is the word for monkey in Sepedi?
Krabo.
Very good, krabo. Now what is the word for giraffe in Sepedi?
Tutwa.
That's right, tutwa. And the word for lion in Sepedi?
Tau.
Very good, tau. Now what is the word for snake in Sepedi?
Noga.
That's right, it's noga. So, we have klou, krabo, tutwa, tau, and noga. And now you can use these words to form sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Shalachabotse.